Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Sora 2 even if it's not available in your country. First of all, you need a premium VPN. I use NordVPN. If you want, you can get 3 months extra if you use my link in the description. If you want to get only 1 month for $13. If you have NordVPN installed, change your location to United States. Then refresh the website and then it will ask for an invite code. I have 4 invite codes. If you want them, you can join our Discord server and make a ticket and ask for it. The second option is go to Discover, the left bottom of Discord, click on search and type Open AI. Then you get Open AI Discord server. Don't join. There is a Sora 2 codes channel. Sometimes people send their code in here, so you can wait and you can copy and paste them. Okay, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, invite recap in your Discord server, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Pee pee poo poo, poo poo pee pee.